Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try to record this. I'm gonna dye this hair, attempt to dye this hair, and it's just really hard for me to record stuff like this, but I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I have. I have this big box of Quick Blue powder bleach. I have 20 volume developer, shimmer light shampoo, regular shampoo. The conditioner's in the room. I have also these Clairol packets. I've never used this before, but it's supposed to be a toner, so I'll let y'all know how they go. And yeah, I'm just gonna get the whipping stuff up. I don't use measuring cups or anything. Oh, and some gloves. Make sure y'all use some gloves. Do not be messing with this stuff without gloves on. Please, you're gonna burn your skin. So anyway, for this big old box, you only get this much in there. Oh my god. I'm thinking the whole thing is gonna be filled up. That's freaking bizarre. Okay. So, open it up. Okay, and make sure you're doing this in a well ventilated area, baby, because this prep is strong. So basically, like I said, we just eyeballing stuff. I'm taking a full scoop, and I'm gonna be making a lot of this stuff because I have 3 bundles in the closure too today. So I know it looks like a lot. It's supposed to be a lot. Okay. And I'm gonna put 3 scoops in there. Okay. Now we gonna put some, like I said, I don't use measurements. And when you're doing this, you wanna make it like, I would say like cake batter. Perfect example. Just like cake batter. That's exactly how you want it to be. Alright, so that should be fine with the mixture. Something like that. Not too thick, not too loose. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of out of frame. But I'm going to just start. Let me get in frame then. Okay. I'm just gonna start adding it to the bleach today. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back. This is the hair lifted. So now I'm about to attempt to what is it called? Tone it, okay, with this toner I've never used before. Direction says to mix this with 2, okay, yeah. Okay, hey y'all, I forgot to come back and record after I washed the hair out, but as you all can see, the toner did work and it did a really good job.